Hello, I'm in a 2018 Kia Sorento, and today I'm going to show you how to use your front and rear defrost. So with the vehicle on, which this currently is, these are your front and your rear defrost controls. So when you have the front on, it now is connected through your front fan, so you can make it go faster or lower the speed. With these, you can adjust the mode, so you can have a mode where it's got it blowing out of the front defrost here as well as out of these vents towards you, whatever you prefer. But when you want it turned off, just make sure this light's turned off or the fan's completely off, and that'll turn the front off. And then sometimes even if you've got it max heat, you still might want the AC turned on, because that AC can pull moisture out of the air, so it keeps your glass from fogging up. And then this activates your rear. So the way the rears work, if you can see in the camera, there's some black lines that run through the glass. Those black lines are heating mechanism. So when this is activated, this will start melting any ice that might be building up. And then when you want it off, just turn it off. And if these aren't working for some reason, the first thing I would check is your fuse. Sometimes a burnt fuse could make this inoperable. If that's not helping, you might need to check behind this dash plastic, make sure there's no loose connections that need to be reconnected for these buttons. But otherwise, I hope all this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.